Did you know that one tiny filter hiding under your hood could be silently shortening your engine's life? Yet nearly 90% of vehicle owners don't even know it exists. Most drivers faithfully replace their engine air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, change their oil every few thousand miles, and even swap cabin filters regularly. But there is another filter, the crankcase ventilation breather filter, that often goes untouched for 80,000, 100,000, or even 150,000 miles. In this video, we're going to reveal why almost nobody checks crankcase ventilation breather filter, the warning signs it's choking your engine, simple DIY tests you can perform at home, and easy prevention tips that could save you thousands of dollars. Before we dive into the problems, let's understand the function of crankcase ventilation breather filter. Every time your engine runs, a small amount of combustion gases escapes past the piston rings into the crankcase. These gases, called blow-by gases, contain fuel vapors, moisture, and combustion byproducts. If these gases stay trapped inside the engine, then the pressure builds rapidly. That's where the crankcase ventilation system comes in. The breather filter cleans incoming air or filters crankcase vapors before they are routed back into the engine through the PCV or CCV system. When the filter becomes blocked, those gases have nowhere to go. Instead, pressure builds inside the crankcase and begins pushing oil past seals and gaskets. That's why some vehicles suddenly develop valve cover leaks, rear main seal leaks, or oil around the dipstick tube, even though the seals themselves aren't worn out. Restricted ventilation also prevents moisture and fuel vapors from leaving the crankcase efficiently. Those contaminants mix with engine oil and create sludge that reduces lubrication and increases wear on bearings, camshafts, and timing components. Although breather filter is usually only a small component, but it plays a huge role in keeping the engine healthy. Symptoms of a clogged crankcase breather filter. Number 1. Engine oil leaks. One of the earliest and most expensive symptoms of a clogged crankcase breather filter is engine oil leaks. When the breather filter becomes restricted, combustion gases, known as blow-by gases, become trapped inside the crankcase instead of being safely vented. This increases internal engine pressure that forces oil past seals and gaskets that were never designed to withstand that much pressure. According to automotive service data, oil leaks account for nearly 35 to 40% of engine repair visits in older vehicles, and excessive crankcase pressure is a common hidden cause. You may notice fresh oil around the valve cover gasket, oil pan, timing cover, front crankshaft seal, or rear main seal. Many drivers spend hundreds of dollars replacing leaking seals, only to discover later that a $20 to $50 breather filter was the real problem all along. Number 2. Poor acceleration and rough idle. Modern engines depend on carefully balanced airflow. When crankcase ventilation is restricted, that balance is disrupted. The result can be rough idle, hesitation during acceleration, reduced throttle response, and occasional stalling. These symptoms often mimic faulty spark plugs, dirty injectors, or vacuum leaks, leading to unnecessary repairs while the actual problem remains hidden. Number 3. Increased oil consumption. If your engine suddenly starts using more oil between oil changes, don't automatically assume the piston rings are worn out. A clogged crankcase breather filter can create enough pressure to push engine oil into the intake system, where it gets burned during combustion. Modern engines normally consume very little oil, but restricted crankcase ventilation can dramatically increase that amount. You may find yourself adding a quart of oil every few thousand miles, despite seeing no visible leaks underneath the vehicle. This extra oil burning doesn't just cost money. It can also contaminate oxygen sensors and catalytic converters. Replacing the breather filter early may prevent these expensive downstream failures. Number 4. Blue smoke from the exhaust. Blue smoke coming from your exhaust is one of the clearest signs that engine oil is entering the combustion chamber. However, worn piston rings and valve seals are common causes, but a clogged breather filter can produce the same symptom by increasing crankcase pressure. That pressure forces oil past seals and piston rings, where it burns with the fuel-air mixture. The smoke is often most noticeable during hard acceleration or immediately after starting the engine. If blue smoke appears suddenly, then checking the breather filter should always be one of your first diagnostic steps before assuming the engine needs a rebuild. Number 5. Sludge formation inside the engine. One of the hidden dangers of a clogged breather filter is accelerated engine sludge formation. Every engine produces moisture, fuel vapors, and combustion contaminants during normal operation. When ventilation becomes restricted, moisture remains trapped inside the crankcase and combines with hot oil to form thick sludge and varnish. Industry experts estimate that poor maintenance and inadequate crankcase ventilation contribute to a significant percentage of severe engine sludge cases. Sludge restricts oil passages, reduces lubrication, increases engine temperatures, and dramatically shortens engine life if ignored. Tips to diagnose your crankcase ventilation breather filter in 2 minutes. Before you hand your credit card to any shop for a rough idle or a mystery oil leak, I want you to run these 3 incredibly simple tests right in your driveway. Test number 1. The oil cap test. With the engine warmed up and idling, carefully loosen the oil filler cap. A healthy crankcase ventilation system usually creates a slight vacuum that gently holds the cap in place. If the cap bounces violently or is pushed upward by escaping air, it means that your breather filter is clogged or PCV system is faulty. Test number 2. Inspect the intake piping. Disconnect the intake hose if it is easily accessible. If you find heavy oil residue pooling inside the intake tube, turbo inlet, or intercooler pipes, it means that excessive crankcase oil vapors are passing through the ventilation system. The easiest way to avoid expensive repairs is simple preventative maintenance. Follow these tips to prevent your engine from choking and make it last long. Tip number 1. Replace the breather filter at the manufacturer's recommended interval, typically every 30,000 to 60,000 miles on vehicles equipped with a serviceable filter. Tip number 2. Regular oil changes with the correct oil help reduce sludge formation that clogs the ventilation system. Tip number 3. Avoid excessive short trips whenever possible because they allow moisture and fuel vapors to build inside the crankcase. Tip number 4. Inspect hoses connected to the PCV or CCV system for cracks, kinks, or collapse, since even a clean filter can't work properly if airflow is restricted elsewhere. The bottom line is, the crankcase ventilation breather filter is not flashy, expensive, or even easy to find, but it might be one of the most important filters protecting your engine. Spending $20 to $60 and a few minutes of maintenance today could help you avoid repair bills of $1,000, $2,000, or even $4,000 tomorrow. That's an incredible return on one of the most overlooked maintenance items in modern vehicles. So, if your vehicle has over 50,000 miles and you have never checked the breather filter, now is the time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because we regularly share simple maintenance tips that can save you money and keep your car running like new. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.